Hello guys, welcome to Nikatam's Graphics. Today I'm going to show you how to convert your video from landscape to portrait. If you're interested and you want to learn how to convert your video from landscape to portrait like the way you are seeing it, and you put it in a phone frame like this, then this video will show you how to do that step by step. Okay, so first of all you have to go and import your video into CapCut. Yes, so when you import your video into CapCut like this, so what you will do is that tap on the video like this to highlight it. So when you tap on the video to highlight like this, scroll this way. So when you scroll this way, you will see transform. Tap on transform. So when you tap on transform, tap on resize, then tap on resize. So when you tap on resize, scroll to this side. You will see 5.8. So tap on that ratio, 5.8. Tap on that ratio. So when you tap on that, what you do is that hold the video with your two fingers and drag it so that the video will be zoomed in like this, and then you set it to fit in the frame like this. Yes, so when you're done with this, then tap on OK. So see what you have here. Then you have to go back like this, so if you are done with this, the second thing you're going to do is scroll it to the other side. You see background. So tap on background like this. So when you tap on background, you see color. Tap on color. So you can now pick any color. So let's pick white like this. You see that? So when you are done with this, press OK. Then go back. Yes. So when you are done with this, the next thing to do is tap on text. So you tap on text like this. So when you tap on text, tap on stickers, then tap on stickers. So when you tap on stickers, then you scroll it to this side, then you select this frame. You see it, then press OK. So when you are done with that, what to do is tap on the video, the main video, then with your two fingers drag it like this. You see how I drag like this. So when you are done with that, then highlight the sticker, highlight that one, then you have to enlarge it, open it like this, and make it fit in the video like this. You see that is very beautiful. So when you're done with this, you have to enlarge the sticker. You have to drag it so that it will cover the whole video. So you have to drag it, the blue this thing. Have you seen the blue bar? So drag it to cover the whole video like this. So this is how to do. Let's see the results. You see that is video beautiful and then video nice. Yes, so this is how to convert your landscape video into portrait and then putting it into a phone frame like this. It is video fantastic, video easy to do, and when you are done with it, it's going to be beautiful. People will love seeing that. So thank you for watching this. Remember to subscribe this channel, like the video, and turn the notification bell for more tips like this. If you want to become a professional video editor, don't let this channel bypass you without subscribing it and liking this video. Thank you for your time.